Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a quote from the book that you are currently reading on the Bookly application. You can either type it in, take a picture of it, or use the recorder function. So that's a really good opportunity to save the relevant quotes that you find interesting or intriguing, and you want to save them for later. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the My Books section down below and select a book that you want to read. Tap on Start Reading. After that, you can tap on the Add Code button in the middle of the screen. Here you have three options. You can either take a picture of the relevant part. So if you tap on this button, you will be able to open the camera of your phone and take a picture of that relevant quote from the book that you are reading. But as you can see, it's only available to premium users. The second option is the audio recorder, meaning that you can record that relevant passage from the book. And you can also select this image to text option, meaning that it will recognize and extract quotes from images. However, there is another option. You can type in the relevant quote that you want to save, and you can also indicate the page number as well. So that's available to all users of the application, so you don't have to purchase the premium to be able to use this function. So after typing it in and indicating the page number, click on the button Save, and after that your quote will be added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.